Stop scrolling. Imagine opening your laptop tomorrow morning and seeing $500, $700, even $1,000 sitting in your account, all from trading while sipping coffee. Sounds crazy? In 2025, everyday people, with no Wall Street background, are turning small amounts into consistent profits using smart day trading strategies and AI-powered tools. But here's the trap. 90% of new traders fail. Why? And how can you join the winning 10%? Stay with me, because what you'll learn today could change your money game forever. Welcome back to AI Money Empire, the channel where we talk about making money online, smart investing, and building financial freedom. Today we're diving into one of the highest paying niches on YouTube and Google, day trading in 2025. If you're searching for how to start day trading, earn $1,000 per day online, or stock market for beginners, you just landed in the right place. Now let's get real. You've probably seen those flashy Instagram posts where someone shows $5,000 profit before lunch. But what nobody tells you is that most beginners lose money fast. Why? They jump in without a plan, get emotional, and blow up their accounts. But in 2025, things have changed. AI, zero-commission brokers, and real-time data have completely leveled the playing field. This is the best time in history to start day trading if you do it the right way. Why 99% fail? Curiosity plus reality check. Here's the harsh truth. Over 80% of beginner traders lose money in their first year. The biggest reasons: no risk management, no strategy, and emotional decisions. Picture this. A stock goes up 2%, you get excited and jump in. Then it falls 5%, you panic and sell. You just turned a tiny move into a big loss. That's why trading without a system is like driving blindfolded. Good news. In 2025, you don't need to be a finance expert. With the right tools and a simple plan, you can start safe, learn fast, and avoid rookie mistakes. The 3 golden steps to start day trading in 2025. Choose the right platform and tools. Not all trading apps are created equal. In 2025, top choices are interactive brokers, pro-level but beginner-friendly, Robinhood, Webull, US, zero commission and easy to start, Zerodha, Upstocks, India, low fees, reliable. Look for low latency, fast order execution, every second matters, pre-market and aftermarket data, know where smart money is moving. Paper trading, demo trading, practice without risking real cash. Pro tip: tools like Trade Ideas, TrendSpider, TradingView. AI scanners can help you spot setups automatically. Master one strategy: don't chase everything. The one mistake beginners make? Trying too many strategies at once. Pick one and go deep. 2 easy, high-probability strategies: breakout trading. Wait for a stock stuck in a tight range to break above resistance. Enter fast, keep stop-loss tight. Gap and go check pre-market gainers. If volume stays high, trade the momentum at market open. Remember, you don't need 10 perfect trades a day, you need 1 clean move. Risk management was survival. Before you hit buy, decide your stop loss, how much you can afford to lose. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total capital on a single trade. Accept small losses, protect your capital. Golden rule: trade small, trade smart, and come back tomorrow. Real success examples and proof. Let's make it real. Rahul from Pune started with 10,000 rupees. He practiced on a demo account for 30 days, learned breakouts and risk control. After 3 months, he started earning $500 or $1,000 day consistently. Sarah in the US began with $500 on Robinhood. After learning Gap and Go and using AI screeners, she now makes an extra $2,000 per month part-time. The secret isn't luck. It's strategy plus discipline plus tools. Why 2025 is perfect: AI tools everywhere. Cheap or free scanners that once cost thousands. Volatile markets. Price swings, profit opportunities. Low no commissions. Save money every trade. Retail traders, you and me, have more power now than ever before. You can literally trade like a hedge fund from your home. Audience interaction. I want to know from you. What kind of content will help you most? Daily stock market updates? Step-by-step strategy breakdowns? Secret AI trading tools? Comment below. I read every single one, and your feedback shapes future videos. If this opened your eyes, smash the like button. It helps more beginners find this video. And if you're serious about building high-income skills and creating a side hustle that could pay like a full-time job, then subscribe to AI Money Empire right now. Here you'll get smart day trading strategies, latest AI tools for traders, financial freedom tips that pay high CPM and RPM audiences love. Don't just watch. Start today. Open a free demo account. Learn one strategy. Trade safe, scale slow. 2025 could be your breakthrough year.